Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this Hummingbird Loans Express loan review are available in the description below. This review is based on my personal experience using the service. Hummingbird Loans Express Loan, a comprehensive review. Hummingbird Loans offers express loans specifically designed to assist individuals facing urgent financial requirements. These loans typically range from $100 to $5,000, providing a practical solution for unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or other emergencies. Their intuitive online platform simplifies the borrowing process, enabling applicants to submit requests quickly, receive near-instant approval decisions, and often access funds as soon as the next business day. This speed and efficiency make Hummingbird Loans an attractive option for those prioritizing quick and straightforward financial solutions. A key advantage of Hummingbird Loans is their flexible qualification criteria. Unlike traditional lenders, they consider more than just credit scores. They assess your current financial situation and ability to repay, making their services accessible to a wider range of borrowers, including those who may have encountered challenges securing loans from traditional banks. This inclusive approach expands access to much-needed short-term financing. Transparency is paramount with Hummingbird Loans. They provide clear and concise terms and conditions, ensuring borrowers are fully informed before committing to a loan. Interest rates and fees are clearly outlined, eliminating any potential for hidden surprises. Furthermore, their repayment plans are designed with flexibility in mind, allowing borrowers to choose schedules that align with their income cycles. This customizable approach empowers borrowers to manage their repayments effectively and minimize financial strain. Customer support is another area where Hummingbird Loans excels. Their dedicated support team is readily available to assist you throughout the application process, answer any questions, and provide clarification on loan terms. This commitment to customer service ensures a smooth and stress-free borrowing experience. In conclusion, Hummingbird Loans provides a reliable financial solution for individuals seeking fast, accessible, and transparent financial assistance. Whether navigating an urgent financial need or requiring a short-term financial bridge, their streamlined application process and borrower-centric approach make them a compelling choice. For more details or to apply, please visit the links provided in the description below.